You want to learn speed ramping? I will teach you over speeding. Speed ramping. Just follow me. Take the video and make the layer bigger like this. Right-click on this small FX button and select speed. I have taken an already slow-mo video because I don't have high FPS clips. You can also record in slow-mo and make it faster later. Control plus click on the place where you want to start slow-mo. If you drag this line up, the speed will increase and decrease when dragging down. Increase the speed of the pre-slow-mo area by a suitable amount. Before we go ahead, what do we have here? It's a sponsor! Wait, my nails! AEJuice is website for plugins for Premiere Pro, After Effects and other editors. Right now you can get I Want It All bundle, which includes 75 packs at just $149, and they have free plugins too for the people like me. Get a 10% off by using my coupon code 7May. Go, get it right now. Link is in the description. After increasing the speed of pre-slow-mo area, you can decrease the speed of the slow-mo area or leave it as it is because mine is already slow. Pull one of these two anchors to smooth out the changing speed of the clip. Adjust the curve by pulling these smaller anchors. Now make the clip fast again at the ending just like you did in the beginning. Well, you already have a speed ramp. Now just put on some effect to make it look even more good. Put on an adjustment layer to add effects and do whatever you want. I am adding some grain, glow, and lighting, but you can add other effects too, like motion blur or filters. Well then, see you next time in another video. Bye 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 bye.